Hello, short little video today. This is about the adapted electrics on my 1950 Cadillac. This is a standard old-fashioned open top battery. So you got the ground over there with a little brass nut which has been tapped into the terminal, soldered in. You've got the 6-volt lead. It runs to the main car, so it runs all the main body 12-volt circuitry, lights, indicators, brakes, everything. There, we got the feed now, same sort of thing, for 8 volts to run the starter. 6-volt just wasn't enough, even though it's been rebuilt. It's just old technology. 6-volt was never really reliable. 12 volts too much, makes it spin too fast, and obviously risks burning it out. And I prefer the sound of the slow starter. You've got obviously the 12-volt feed there, that runs the electric fuel pump, the electronic ignition, that is operated by that 6-volt relay there, so that takes its connection off of the normal ignition key and flicks in the 12-volt system. That makes big difference because now I can keep the 6-volt electrics just for the engine temperature and the oil pressure gauge. No, sorry, not the oil pressure gauge. The fuel gauge, and I can then use the 12 volt to update all the main car electrics for the lights, etc. So we've got 12 volts. I can have modern 12 volt halogen lights in there, modern LED, etc. Side lights, brake lights, etc. And then the rest of the car, if I ever get a radio in there, will be the original 6 volts. The difference it really makes is obviously on the starter. So you get a slow rev when you try to start it. Yep, nice and slow.